Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to resolve one of the most common issues, that is vibration not working on Samsung phone. Many users have complained about this problem, thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to fix vibration not working in Samsung issue with 6 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your Samsung device. Sometimes just by restarting your device can solve the issue. So, why not try this once? To restart your device, unlock the screen of the phone. Press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. It may solve your vibration not working problem. Solution 2. Enable vibration on Samsung. Your Samsung phone allows you to manage vibration for calls, touch interactions, gestures, and more individually. You can go through all these settings on your phone to ensure that vibration isn't disabled for any of them. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then tap on Sounds and Vibration. Toggle on Vibrate while ringing or Vibrate on Silent option. Solution 3. Check for system software update. Getting the latest software version is always a good idea because new versions bring many new features, security patches, and bug fixes. So, if a new software version is waiting to be downloaded, proceed with the download. Simply go to Settings, then find and tap on Software Update, and tap on Download and Install. Solution 4. Turn off battery saver. On most devices, turning on battery saver turns off certain functions, including haptics and vibrations, to extend the battery life. So, if you've turned on battery saver on your device or your battery is low, your phone won't vibrate. If your battery is low, we advise you to charge it as soon as possible to continue enjoying mobile vibration. Solution 5. Factory reset your Samsung phone. The last manual solution to this issue is factory resetting your phone. However, doing this will wipe out all data on your phone. So, make sure to create backup of your phone's data before doing this. In order to do this, open the Settings, then go to System, and then tap on Reset Options. At this time, tap on the Erase All Data, Factory Reset option. Finally, click on the Erase All Data button. After doing this, restart your phone. Now, check if the vibration is now working. Solution 6. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to troubleshoot the vibration not working in Samsung issue, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair Tool. It will help you to fix the mobile-related errors and issues, such as the phone being stuck in a boot loop, no notification sound, black screen of death error, and many more. So, I will highly recommend you to use this tool to fix this problem. If you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing Samsung phone vibration not working. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.